Yo guys, welcome back to this new video here on the channel, and on today's video I've got a very big smile on my face here because finally Bitcoin is starting to be reversing its trend towards the upside like we have been predicting here over the past couple days here. So if you want to be finding out about where Bitcoin is heading towards from up this point, and if you want to be finding out about where our predictions are right now basing towards, do not forget to right away slap up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course ring the bell notification so you will be definitely not miss out on any of the further content that we're going to bring out on the channel. And with that being said, guys, let me jump right away in towards the content. So like you can see, Bitcoin yesterday smashed absolutely through of this resistance box, and of course this was definitely a thing that we've been anticipating. The reason why we have been anticipating the market eventually of course pushing up again here is because all those momentum indicators, of course momentum was flipping bullish while price action was going down here. That was of course the big reason for me to expect, okay, markets are most likely going to be forming higher highs and higher lows again here. And like you can currently see here on this market, well, the sellers have been getting and has been starting to get exhausted. We've been forming lower lows over here, and right now we are starting to set a higher low. So this is of course an uptrend signal that we're currently getting here, and together with the higher high structure that's currently getting enabled after the lower high structure that was getting formed over here, we can right now say yes, we're back in an uptrend. So if Bitcoin is going to come down from this point, we should be of course looking and opting to be buying the dip here, because in an uptrend you buy the dips here and of course continue the rally towards the upside of course. So since right now, we clearly did broke through this downward sloping resist line. We clearly did broke through the horizontal resist line, what basically was the holdback for Bitcoin on this whole zone here. I do think right now we could be looking for some very significant price targets. The price target that I'm right now aiming for is going to be this range on the top side. It's going to be the 53.7k towards the 54k of course. The reason why I'm right now giving you this level, because I can just roll this level and say Bitcoin is going to go towards this level. But the reason why I do think Bitcoin is going towards this level here is, first of all, it has been providing a very strong level and a very strong amount of previous resistance here on the market. We do know as well that Bitcoin is right now about to reach its price target of this bullish bias falling wedge structure. If the falling wedge structure is going to be breaking out, it's going to go towards its top side of the wedge here, and of course in this case that's going to be only going to be an 8% move here, and it's around the $52,000. But we do know as well that Bitcoin still has of course got the CME. The Bitcoin still got a CME gap here on the 53.6k here. So since Bitcoin still got a CME gap on the 53.6k, I personally think it is likely to go towards this level to fill up the gap here. So that's still a thing that I look forward towards. And as well, I basically do expect the market is going to go back in towards an uptrend, back towards new highs here, because it finally did right now broke its downtrend. I've been saying already for several days in a row here that Bitcoin most likely is going to be forming a very significant uptrend again, where Bitcoin is going to be forming higher highs along the way up here and higher lows as well along the way up, and where it is of course inevitably going to be shifting its structure once again back towards new all-time highs. Because right now, if we're looking at the daily time frame on the Bitcoin chart, I've been warning you guys for this several times before. First of all, we were creating of course a falling wedge structure. Second of all, we were getting this extremely bullish bias, bullish divergence on the daily MACD, what we only have seen 3 times before this year. And since we only have seen this 3 times before this year, every single time we have seen this, we have been seeing a significant market increasement, just like here in July, just like here in May, and just like here in September. And right now we got one as well on the 7th of December. We do know that these indicators are a little bit of a lacking indicator, so that was as well what we told you guys yesterday about. But since we did got that signal together while we were trading in a falling wedge structure, I was extremely bullish. And of course the price target of this falling wedge structure is of course way higher. This price target of this falling wedge structure is going to trade on around the $69,000, what is basically trading on new all-time highs. So I personally think Bitcoin is going to go towards the $69,000 target. Is it going to be happening tomorrow? No, it isn't. It's going to be going in towards a long journey towards the upside. And of course, so far what my strategy will be here, because I opened already a very significant trade here, what's right now already $27,000 in profit, guys. With this trade, I will be trying to trade the market towards new all-time highs here, and of course I will be keeping this trade open till Bitcoin is going to smash it up through new all-time highs, because this is going to be a swing trade that I'm going to swing here towards new all-time highs, because I personally think sell pressure is of course getting shifted out of the market right now. And because the sell pressure is getting shaked out of the market, the rallies that we're going to get are most likely going to be pretty exponential, pretty low volumes, because the majority of the sell pressure is already out of the market. So we'll be keeping this trade open for quite a while. Of course, I've been showing you guys on how I've been opening this trade here on my channel. I've been showing you guys about how my trade was, of course, in a loss here in this period. I've been showing you guys how I've been adding more to my trade on the lower sides over here, and I've been showing you guys right now how my trade is in profit. So if you want to be learning more about swing trading Bitcoin, I think you should definitely consider smashing up that subscriber button, because we on the channel have been going through the whole journey. And of course, let me know in the chat if you did, of course, join me with this trade here. And of course, if you did join me with the trade, or if you do want to be joining me with future trades, do not forget to check BYBIT here in the link description, because BYBIT is currently offering you a $4,100 deposit bonus. With that deposit bonus, you will be getting, and you will be able to, of course, trade here as well on BYBIT. So make sure to check BYBIT here right now in the link of the description. As well, other very important thing to be right now talking about here is, of course, the Bitcoin 1 hour candles. Bitcoin 1 hour candles, of course, looking also pretty interesting, because on the 1 hour candles, of course, yesterday we made a very strong prediction here on our stream here. On the stream, we were saying, of course, Bitcoin forming a falling wedge structure together with bullish divergence that the Rover Trends indicator was, of course, spotting. I said to everyone out there, I personally think Bitcoin is going to curve back up here and, of course, knock on this orange door here. Of course, we absolutely smashed through the orange door, and of course, since of that point, we increased in our valuation. Right now, we have been creating one bearish divergence, and we are looking to be losing some momentum on the 1 hour candles. What could be maybe have, of course, a little bit more of a bearish edge on the immediate short term. Maybe Bitcoin could be seeing some sideways action before continuing its way up here. But if Bitcoin is going to see a very significant rally like this here, back towards approximately 52,000 US dollars, it's most likely going to come down a little bit afterwards, because currently it's losing quite a lot of momentum on its uptrend. But if Bitcoin can really continue its trend towards the upside from this point, I will be definitely lovely to see that. Of course, in terms of major resistance to break on the 1 hour candles, it's going to be the 51.8k. Afterwards, it's going to be the 53.8k again. So two very important levels to keep your eyes out on. I should definitely take these lines as well in your trading viewer account. And of course, if you're putting these lines in, you could be, of course, looking for either some entries for trades here. Of course, if we're breaking above this range, you could be retesting it as support, and that could be allow you a very good trading opportunity. So make sure to check that out as well here. But guys, nevertheless, make sure to follow me here, of course, on Twitter if you want to be staying updated about way more market updates here. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new video here. And of course, later today, I will be bringing out another video about my top 3 altcoin picks here for this month here. So if you want to be finding out about that, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys there. Peace out. Goodbye.